Today I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted information in Airtable. This is a really useful feature that can save you from accidentally losing important data, whether it's a single record or multiple entries you need back. First, open your browser and head over to airtable.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the account that contains the base with the deleted information you need to recover. Once you're logged in and viewing your Airtable homepage, you'll see all your bases displayed. Click on the specific base or datas where you want to recover the deleted information. This will open up that particular base and show you all the tables and records within it. Now, before we dive into recovery, let me quickly show you how deletion works so you understand the process. If you want to delete a record, simply right-click on any data row or entry you want to remove. From the menu that appears, click on Delete Record. This demonstrates how easy it is to accidentally delete something, which is why knowing how to recover it is so important. Now, here's where the magic happens. To recover your deleted information, look at the top of your base interface and locate the base history icon. This icon is your gateway to tracking all changes made to your base, including deletions. Click on the base history icon to open up the history panel. In the history panel that appears, you'll see several options. Click on Trash. This section stores all the records that have been deleted from your base, acting as a safety net before they're permanently removed. Think of it as a recycling bin for your Airtable data. Once you're in the Trash section, you'll see a list of all deleted information from your base. Browse through this list carefully to find the specific record or records you want to recover. You can scroll through to locate exactly what you need. When you find the deleted information you're looking for, simply click Restore next to that entry. And that's it. The record will be restored back to its original location in your base, exactly as it was before deletion. This straightforward process ensures that accidental deletions don't result in permanent data loss, giving you peace of mind when working with important information. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.